Morning, welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. I'm a little late today for cooking. Anyway, my menu today is fried fish. I'm gonna fry the fish and the finger. Here, the finger is here. Fried fish. The fish is rich in iodine. Mackerel rich in iodine. And the lady finger is rich in fiber. Good for heart health, blood circulation, antioxidant, high in nutrition. Ang gana. Mag-snack na sita?
Sang.
Ano ba? Wala na tubig ba? Naluto na. Itong ating this one is good for antioxidant. Lady finger is good for antioxidant, digestive health, heart health, high fiber, because that's to control blood sugar also. That's it guys. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.